This guide will walk you through the steps to add new metrics in the Strategy app. From naming metrics to setting targets and assigning owners, follow these instructions to effectively manage metrics within your organization. Navigate to the Strategy section. Access the Metrics tab. Begin the process to add a new metric. Enter the name for the new metric. Select a metric unit. Presets include dollar, %, and person. If your metric does not have a unit, select no unit. For example, an organization might have a satisfaction rating metric used to measure their service to others, and this type of metric might not have a unit associated with it. The no unit option will not display a unit for the metric on the plan. Specify the unit for the metric. By selecting Other, you can enter the name for the metric unit. Always ensure the unit is the singular form, i.e., tree, event, donor contact. If you want to display the metric on your strategic plan as a key metric, focus area metric, or goal metric, select the Represent metric on Select box. In the modal, select a plan to display a metric as a key metric. The metric will display in the Compass section on your strategic plan. Your metric measurements will only display on plans with corresponding dates. Please go to the Metrics app and make sure the date of the metric measurement falls within the date range for the selected plan on which you want it to display. For a metric to display on a selected plan, the date of measurement will need to fall within the plan's date range. For example, if you have a metrics measurement that is entered in 2022, but select a past plan from the year 2020, the measurement will not display on that plan because the measurement date was outside of the 2020 plan date range. To display the metric with a specific focus area or goal, select the appropriate one from the drop-down. Select a focus area to display the metric as a focus area metric. Select a goal to display the metric as a goal metric. Add the selected strategy. Use this space to add helpful notes about your metric. Define the target for the metric. Specify the target value. Navigate to the calendar. Choose the desired end date. Baselines are a comparison number for an individual metric. Often these are sector, industry baselines or past data from your own organization. Enter the desired baseline amount. Click on the calendar for the start date. Choose the desired end date. One of the best ways to ensure that the metric gets regularly measured is to identify metrics champions. Assign champions. Choose the reporting frequency. Metric Advanced. This section contains powerful settings to customize your metric. Assign a tag or create a new one. Choose the metric tag. Save the changes made. Go down to see the new metric added. New metric added is located at the bottom. Access the editing options for the metric on the three dots menu. You can review and edit the Add Metrics options. To add a measurement, select the Progress Tracker circle. Set the value to 0. Input 1 in the available field. Set the snapshot value. Write 1 in the specified field. Enter the value 2. Navigate to the specified location. Input the desired text. Select Metric Champions. To add a measurement, select the Progress Tracker circle, enter the status value, date of measurement and notes, and save the measurement. To expand it, it will now display under the new metric. Expand the metric for more information by selecting the plus sign on the left side of the name of the new metric. Next to the Progress Tracker circle, your metrics will display in the Compass section of your plan on the Strategy application. You can rearrange the metrics list using the up, down arrow. This guide covered adding new metrics in the Strategy app, including naming, setting values, assigning owners, and defining targets. Learn how to manage and track key metrics for effective performance evaluation and decision-making.